Welcome friends, welcome back to my another clean planet walk. How are you all my dear friends? I hope all are well and I am also good. And you know I am MD Aminul Islam from Tangail district of Bangladesh. Friends, today is Wednesday 15 September 2021. This Wednesday morning I visiting a green nature place. Friends, now I am stood in a green nature area. You can see behind my back very beautiful green nature place. Here is I have many green plant, small and big, beautiful place. Here is water. Friends, this Wednesday morning I visiting this place and I saw here is some polluted garbage, polluted plastic. So now I collected that garbage and that garbage threw in the dustbin. Friends, you know I always try to save the nature, green nature. So now I collected polluted garbage from this nature. তো বন্ধুরা আজকে বুধবার 15 সেপ্টেম্বর বুধবার সকালে আমি প্রকৃতির মাঝে এসেছি, একটি প্রকৃতির জায়গায়। এখানে সবুজ প্রকৃতি রয়েছে, পানি রয়েছে। এখানে এর আগেও আমি পরিষ্কার করেছিলাম, কিন্তু আজকে এসে আরও কিছু দূষিত আবর্জনা দেখলাম। এগুলো আমি এখন সংগ্রহ করে ডাস্টবিনে নিক্ষেপ করব। তো চলুন বন্ধুরা পরিষ্কার মিশন শুরু করি। লেটস গো ফ্রেন্ডস, ক্লিনিং নাও, মিশন স্টার্ট নাও। Friends, I walked here and I saw here some polluted garbage. I saw here is one cigarette pack. Now I collected this cigarette pack. This is a very bad for our nature. Really very polluted garbage. So I collected this garbage from here, cigarette pack. Friends, stock this garbage and collected another garbage. Let's go. I saw here is another plastic. Friends, this green nature water. I saw here is some plastic unused product. This friends, this plastic very bad for our nature, our environment, our garden, our green nature. So I always try to collect polluted plastic, polluted garbage from nature. I always try to save the nature, save our environment. Friends, let's we all protect our green nature area, our environment, our nature, our garden. I think this green nature is wealth of our world. Beautiful green nature here. Another plastic here. I collected this plastic. I saw here is one cigarette butt. This cigarette butt. Another unused product here. Cigarette packed here. Another cigarette packed plastic here. Plastic cigarette pack. Another plastic here. Friends, my cleaning mission is finished. I collected many polluted garbage, very bad polluted garbage from green nature area. I collected that garbage from here. এখান থেকে আমি আবর্জনাগুলো সংগ্রহ করেছি এখান থেকে। Friends, and a bag in my hand, big bag, all garbage in this bag. Let's go. আমি এখন ব্যাগে সংরক্ষণ করব। Friends, complete all garbage in this bag. Now this bag in the dustbin. Let's go. এই ব্যাগকে আমি এখন ডাস্টবিনে নিক্ষেপ করব। চলো। This is used dustbin. This garbage bag in the dustbin. Thank you so much, friend. And this was my nature cleaning mission on Wednesday morning.